Okay, y'all, we made it down the trail today. So it is San Francisco Bay Trail at Lone Tree Point. This project provides a half-mile extension of the San Francisco Bay Trail into the northwest part of Contra Costa County from Rodeo to Hercules. It revitalizes and enhances the existing Lone Tree Point Park with a new staging area and trail improvements. So thank you, Gavin Newsom. So I'm not sure how far up it goes. I'm not about to take it all the way. I came from up there on the part that they haven't really fixed yet. Y'all think I'm gonna make it home before it rains? Y'all think I'm gonna get home? Cause I think that's rain over there already. It look like it. I think I'm gonna make it. Cause it's still blue sky over here. So I think I can make it home before it starts raining. But that looks kind of serious over there. We're gonna try to get home before it starts raining. Oh, here comes somebody on their bike. So I'm going to walk back, get on back to the house, because I don't have a jacket or anything. I'm not gonna walk down to the park. Don't look like there's nobody down there anyway. So I'm gonna turn my music back on and get on back to the house. There's the what is that called? Not the shuttle, but that's what it is, to take people from different parts of the Bay Area to San Francisco. I think it's called the Blue and Gold Fleet. Can you see the bridge from here? Maybe not. I'm trying to see if is that one of the bridges. No. Okay, that do kind of feel like rain. All right, y'all. We're gonna get back to the house because it do feel like it's starting to sprinkle. So I'll talk to you guys in a minute.